Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have one more card for you in my Christmas in July series, as July is coming to an end and August is almost here. I can't believe that it is almost August, but here we are, and this is the last card. So this is the Lawn Fawn Loads of Fun stamp set, and I will be using this today to create a fun card for Christmas. So I'll be doing a slimline card. I'm just going to go ahead and start creating a little bit of a scene. So this is a little package of scrapbook paper that I believe I picked up at Dollar Tree a while ago. But I love the wood grains in here, and it is perfect to create floors and backgrounds on cards. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just creating a floor for the washing machine to sit on in a little bit when I'm preparing that. So just got everything cut down, and I'm going to adhere it here with the advanced tape glider, and then I will go ahead and put it on the card base and then cut down the parts that I do not need. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my stamping platform out to stamp out these images that I chose from the stamp set to create more of my scene. You will see in a little bit what I'm going to do with this and how I'm going to make this Christmas. So definitely stay tuned to find out how is this washing machine going to be Christmas related. This set can definitely be used for so many different things. You just got to think outside the box and think about how you can stretch your stamps and make them for different themes. So I'm going to go ahead and put some music on and do my coloring, and then I will be back in a little bit to show you the rest of the card. Okay, so now that the coloring is all done, I'm just creating a little bit more of my background, and I'm using the mica powders from Recollections, and I created a spray with them, and I'm using the two different red colors in here in that set to create the background, and it gives it a shine and a shimmer. They're like shimmer powders. So I created sprays, and I hauled these in my last Michael's haul video, and I'm also going to be doing a set up video and mini haul video coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'm just going ahead and going to create the scene with the images that I colored, and I've cut them out now, so I'm just adhering those, and then I'm going to tie in the Christmas theme a little bit more. So I colored with greens and reds to create that Christmas theme with the laundry and the washing machine and the suds and the laundry detergent there. But how am I going to tie in Christmas a little bit more? And then there is one little red sock. It's the missing sock. And then I also did go ahead and cut out another circle from this set and color it in with the blue off camera. And I'm going to actually add a wobble in here so that it looks like the laundry's going. And it's gonna shake and rattle and get the laundry done. And add a fun element to this card. So now that the wobble is in place, I'm going to add in my Christmas. So I printed these off the computer and I sized them down, and it is a Santa hat and his Santa suit. So I was originally going to put those two pieces in the washing machine, but I decided to put the hat above on the washing machine there just to create a fun element and add a little bit some more up there. And so I got this idea because I have a Christmas ornament that has this same theme, and it is Santa's washing machine, and it is his clothes in there, and you pull a little string and it lights up and you can see the clothes going around. So I think this is just a fun way to show that you could even give it for summer, like Santa's preparing, he's getting ready for the holidays, or it's just a fun little different look at Christmas. And so I'm just working on my sentiments here, and I'm using the Hope Your Birthday Is, and I'm going to cut out birthday, and then I'm going to be using the Christmas word from Cheery Christmas and putting it all together. So it's going to be saying, hope your Christmas is loads of fun. So the loads of fun stamp comes from the set with the washing machine. And I do go ahead and stamp the Christmas sentiment one more time here, just because it didn't come out that great. It was a little bit blurry. That's okay. Sometimes it is hard to get a good impression the first time on the black, so you just keep on trying until you get it right. So then I'm going to go ahead and cut these words out to create the sentiment and get that all ready. So yeah, I just think this is a fun little card and something different. And yeah, like I said, I got this idea because I have it was like a Hallmark Christmas ornament a few years ago. And it's really fun and cute. So let me know down below in the comments if you were watching these Christmas in July videos, and if you watched other people's, did you get any of your Christmas crafting started, or do you have ideas to start? When do you start creating Christmas cards? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and yeah. So I'm just adhering the sentiment down, and I was wondering if I should add anything else to this card, but I decided not to. I could definitely add Muvo drops, and I could definitely add more embellishments, but I thought that it was already fun with the shimmer powder and all of that and the wobble action. So that is going to finish up the card for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I am so close to reaching that 800 mark, and I would love to have you here on my crafting journey. Thank you so much to those who have recently subscribed. I appreciate you guys so much, and thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.